By the end of this video, you will know how to set up inventory tracking in QuickBooks Online. Start from your QuickBooks Online dashboard. In the upper right area of the screen, click the Settings icon, shown as a gear. From that menu, select Account and Settings. This opens the main area where your company preferences are managed, including the features that control how sales items behave in your file. Once the Account and Settings window is open, look across the tabs and choose Sales. The Sales tab contains the options related to products, services, and the details that appear when you create items for customers. Scroll through this section until you find the setting for inventory tracking. The option you need is Track Inventory Quantity on Hand. Turn that setting on. This allows QuickBooks Online to monitor the quantity you currently have available for each inventory item you create. If the setting is already enabled, leave it as it is and continue. Make sure you are changing the inventory option in the Sales tab before moving forward, since this step controls whether inventory items can be created with quantity tracking. After the setting is on, click Save. Give QuickBooks a moment if the screen pauses while the change is applied. When the save is complete, click Done to close the settings window and return to the main workspace. Next, move to the Products and Services area. From the left navigation, go to Sales, then select Products and Services. This page is where QuickBooks stores the items you sell, including services, non-inventory items, bundles, and inventory items. You are now ready to create the item that will use the tracking setting you just enabled. Click New to add a product. QuickBooks will present item type options. Select Inventory. This tells QuickBooks that the item should carry quantity information rather than being listed only as a service or a non-inventory product. Now enter the item details. Fill in the fields shown for the inventory item using the information for your product and your account setup. Depending on your QuickBooks layout, you may see fields for the item name, stock keeping unit, category, quantity on hand, reorder point, inventory asset account, sales price, income account, purchase cost, expense account, description, and sales tax status. Enter the details that apply to the item you are adding. Be attentive when entering the opening quantity on hand and any related dates, since those values affect the starting inventory record for that product. When the item details are complete, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will add the inventory item to your products and services list and store the quantity tracking information with it. You can now find that item in the list as part of your inventory setup. Inventory tracking is now turned on in QuickBooks Online, and your new inventory item has been created in Products and Services.